Right then, another video, and today you've got me instead of Andy. So us and the team are all getting ready for Ultimate Stance. So the show is tomorrow, and yesterday we've been getting all of the cars ready, should I say, to take to the show. So as you can see behind me at the moment, all the cars are now ready to go to the show. They're looking fantastic. So what we need to do is get on the road now and go ahead and get straight to Telford and start setting up the stand.
I'm back from the dead, from the back of my head. Been gone and facing horrors that should never be said. The wrath and the grit from the pit of despair. Been taking every whip and word, I've never been spared. They say tomorrow's never promised. Angels are among us. Lock me up in the maze. Turn out the lights. Less manifestations, mantras, meditation, throw it all away. All the places I've been, all the blood that I've bled, I've been broken down and beat up, but I still get ahead. All the faceless embraces and the tasteless two faces, killed and resurrected cause I'll never be dead. They say tomorrow's never promised, honest. Yeah, they say piranhas are among us. Lock me up in the maze. Turn out the lights. I was born, I was raised for this. Turn out the lights. Lock me up inside. Just throw away the key, don't worry about me. I was driving in my car, throwing up my hands, putting in coast. I could do this with my eyes closed. Turn out the lights. I could do this with my eyes closed.
Right then, so we're all set up now. As you can see behind me, the stand is looking gorgeous. Someone's making some noise in the background, but yeah, I'll throw some video on the screen now of what the stand looks like. But yeah, we've all managed to do it. It's about 6:15 now. Doors open around 10 o'clock sometime. We're not too sure yet, but we'll be back in the morning. Pass you over to Mikey and Mitch tomorrow. Let them show you around. But for now, we'll see you tomorrow.
Right, show day. We're all set up. The lads are just cleaning everything off, finalising everything. The doors are just about to open. It's looking sparkling, it's looking good, it's ready to go. We're getting a good reception on everything so far, especially the transit. But yeah, let's see what today brings.
Hello, Mitchell.
Right, so we're coming to the end of this year's show. It's been a good show, we had great reception on all of our wheels and suspension. People have been playing around with the stand. We didn't just set that up, by the way, that's just happening. So we'll quick run around of what's on the stand. So we've got our 911 Turbo S. Looking great as always. We debuted that this year. Next year there will be some small changes to it. There's not much you can change on it because it's absolutely stunning and perfect as a car. We've got our demo van, the T6.1. We might make some small changes next year. Who knows what next year will bring. We might replace this with a T7. So watch this space on this one, it might go to one of you lucky guys. The Transit, there's some more things coming on that. We're going to be developing a lot more parts, body kit. The windows are parts we've developed. Wheels, we'll change the wheels up if we still have it. Interior's already done. But yeah, next year on that one, we'll do some more things on it, constantly evolving. Mitch's car, the Aston, loads of attention. The loudest car here. It's got the wheels on, the suspension. Will Mitch have this? I don't know. That's, if he can sell it, he'll buy something else, probably an old BMW, but time will tell on that one. Andy's daily. There's not really a better daily out there. We're not going to do too much else to that. Might change the wheels. I don't know, time will tell on that one again. It's a bit indecisive at the moment on all of the cars. Might lower it a little bit more. And then finally, it brings us to the one that everybody's talking about actually. The 944. It's dead original, barn find. We need to do something with it. We need some people to tell us what they want us to do with it. Should we lift it? Should we lower it? Wrap it? Trim the interior? I don't know. It's dead original, as you can see. Stunning inside. But lovely car. We're gonna go to town on this one, and we'll have another demo vehicle next year as well. So make sure you watch the channel to see the updates on all of them, especially this one.
So then that is Ultimate Stance 2024 now complete. The team are behind me now, just dismantling the stand, ready for us to go ahead and get home. The show's been a great success. Thank you to everyone who's come by the stand, mentioning the dream build, the YouTube videos and things like that. So massive thank you to everyone. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 40,000 subscribers. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on, and we'll catch you in the next video.
So if you didn't know already, we've set up a THQ exclusive WhatsApp community. So in that WhatsApp community, we'll be doing new products there before we do anywhere else. We'll be selling off parts cheap, exclusive discounts. If we've taken parts off one of our exclusive show builds, we'll be posting them there before anywhere else, and they'll be cheaper than you can find them on the website, on eBay, or on anywhere. So to join this community, there will be a link in our bio that can take you there, or just drop us a DM and we'll send you a link straight to that WhatsApp community. And once you're in, you'll have the opportunity to buy all these items before anybody else at a lesser cost.